Hi everybody, in this video I am going to define NFA and design NFA, the start with 0 and end with 1. First of all, NFA. NFA means Non-Deterministic Finite Automaton. NFA M consists of M equal to Q summation delta Q0F. These are the five tuple of the NFA, while Q is the finite non-empty set of states. Summation is the input alphabet. Delta is the transition function. Mapping delta such that Q into summation to 2 to the power Q. 2 to the power Q means power set of Q. It can be any combination of the power set of 2 to the power Q. Now Q0 is the initial. Q0 is the initial state. Q0 belong to Q. A is the final state. A belong to Q. Now consider the example. We need to construct an NFA that end start with 0. This is the start with 0. Now end with 1. Q0 that start with 0. Then we can write any thing that is either 0 or 1 and end with 1. This is the final state. We start with 0 and end with 1. You can put any 0 and 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the NFA. No need to write for every state. We need to write, no need to write 0 and 1 for every state. So this is the NFA. So NFA means non-deterministic finite automata. Here M equal to Q summation delta Q0 F. Here Q is the Q0, Q1, Q2. Summation is the 0 and 1. Delta is the transition function or mapping function, that is Q0, Q1, Q2. Here QF. Q0 is initial state, 0 and 1 input. Q0 to 0 to Q1 and Q0 to 1 is no empty. Q1 to 0 is Q0 and Q1 to 1 is Q1 and QF. And it's empty. More than one output state mean it is NFA. Q0 initial state and QF is final state. So thank you very much for watching this video. Share and subscribe it. Thank you.